Hello and welcome back to day one only. So we had come out just for a little stroll since our room had 1 hour to get ready. So we are going to 7-Eleven first because Brian and Mummy have never been there, and it's a good place to be when you come. So you get all some good stuff to eat. We'll grab some water bottles, and then we'll go to our room and then decide what to do next. Finally, we reach. दूसरे के रिंगलिंग से
सेम आते डबल
हमने ऑर्डर किया है कुछ वी डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू ऑर्डर सो दिस वी गॉट फ्रॉम 7-Eleven एंड देन दिस इज अ होल काइंड ऑफ अ फूड कोर्ट तो वो दीदी को बोला हमने आई विल शो यू व्हाट वी ऑर्डर वी गॉट चिकन एंड दिस इज फिश आई गेस कैसा खरे से
कितले बरे आहेत राहा काय ना
कशा असे हां हां
ते इले खारे ते कंटाळला देवडी नागात
मस्त म्हणून राहायचं नाही
तिकड्याचे तांते हे तो शीत दिला ते
काम करलं
नाही ना शीत गरम शीत आहे तांते नागात जबर हे थाई करीचं आहे विथ चिकन.
One more thing about this place. So this is gas connection on the main road. Totapuri. तो पका हुआ तोतापुरी पे it is. It's very sweeter. It's very sweeter than Totapuri. By the looks of it, I think it will rain. Finally, 15 minutes early. 15th floor. Okay. That's the washroom. Okay, this is the room. The view from the 15th floor. Lemongrass. So our other room should get ready in 15 to 20 minutes. So we are going to the terrace. It has a terrace pool. So let's check that out because Dad and Mama are sleeping and Brian is using his phone. So I'd rather go alone. So this has a very good view. So that is Twin Towers, that is TL Tower, and I'm on the 25th floor. Okay, that is oh, some arrangement. It is some very highs and lows, so that looks very premium. And then this suddenly looks okay, look at that. There's clearly a lot of difference in wealth, and the areas are not, you can see big buildings, small buildings, big buildings, small buildings mixed up. So this is the second room. It's the washroom and the bed. View. Similarly. So we woke up and Mr. Prime Minister has fallen sick. So we've ordered mushroom soup and spread accompanied to him, and for him, so let him have healthy and get well soon. We have our And we've ordered some food from Grab. That should come. This is the skyline at night. We are waiting for our cab. Bro, it's there. So Brian is not well, as you all have seen. So he's sleeping. We'll come back within 1.5 hours. So time pass nahi ho raha tha, so we thought there's a night market close by, so we'll just roam a little and come back. And this is the hotel. And there's another branch of Hilton as well. So that is our taxi. Mall lagde hai? हाँ करूला. Wow. KL Tower. This is Jalan Alor night market. You see, it looks beautiful. So this thing stays up at up till 4 o'clock, and that is the actual street. This is the entrance. So this is called the durian. It's actually a smelly fruit. Wow, that is a lot of fruit. So we just started exploring. पता नहीं क्या क्या मिल सकता है इधर.
How hot?
This is all. Yes, lamb, chicken, fried mushroom.
You go over there.
कैसे हैं? बरे हैं? खरीद चढ़ बरे. The snacks were too tasty to miss out on a beer, so I said let's have a beer. So come take a beer. So these are the options. So I took these two. So I read it now and I realized it's a Campuran lemonade. So this means that beer has lemonade in it. And anyhow, the percentage is 1%. So that is the OG. Good taste, not bad. So this is mutton and that is chicken. So we ordered more. We're still at the beginning and we found the best food. So let's move on to the next. All black. Nice. So this is a new Hyundai. That is the Alphard or Velfire, whatever that is called here. And that is our street. Madu. One piece. Appam balik. Sweet hate. Try again. Crispy, huh? It's crispy, huh? Oh, it's kind of a dosa type. Wow. That is Wagyu. My realization when I removed my opened the bag to pay, there was no money. It was almost over. So I'm running back to the ATM, nearest ATM. Let's see if I find it soon. This place is very happening. There's a lot of disturbance. I've turned on the ANC. I hope you can hear me clearly. Finally, ATM. Thank God I found some cash. So they debit around 15 ringgit every time you transact. So make sure you remove it once or much ever you need. 15 ringgit is around 350 rupees for every transaction. So I took out 500. So that should do it. खाने कैसे है बरिया? हाँ? Lamb, bakra, lamb barbecue. Wow. Huh?
I'm sorry, but I can't love you like this. We are put to sunset.
बंदा पानी पूरी थाईलैंड में.
Fishing from Karnataka and Chinni from Desur. The boys in the street, those were homeless.
These people drink a lot of slurries and juices. That is like we'll put half quarter in this and then noise. Solid party chal.
5 people drunk 21 beers.
This guy has a lot of rush. We're already half full because we had ordered as well and then we're deciding what to have more. So that is the end of this place. That end. We'll just go to that and come back. I also have that. Sizolet, Kadle. So we have taken chicken crisps. For snacks till we find some main course. So we've come a long way. And mind you, this is the rush and it's around 11 o'clock. One mango sticky rice. Papa, hentu na menu na कितले item आत सांग. याच्या end menu. कितले item आत सांग hentu. 987 items आहेत त्यांच्याकडे. And this is the beer rates. So bucket small bills. These are the types of food you can get. All of this. So this and then egg fried rice to end it off and call it a day. The rush has slightly decreased. You can see. Wow. This is okay. It's not that great. It has mango fruits, the ones I tried yesterday, the totapuri sweet ones, that wala, and the rest of it is okay, artificial sweetener and ते किती मध्ये का white का आम्ही साबुदाणा बरोबर. तो हमने ये लिया था लास्ट टाइम जब थाईलैंड गए थे तो ट्राई नहीं किया था स्टिकी राइस. तो दिस इज राइस. ये दिस इज सम काइंड ऑफ ले लो कोकोनट मिल्क एंड सम फ्लेवरिंग्स टू इट एंड दिस इज मैंगो. सो व्हाट यू डू इज आई गेस दिस इज हाउ यू डू इट. यू टेक अ लिटिल राइस. ओके, टेक द राइस एंड देन योर मैंगो एंड देन डिप इट अ लिटिल एंड देन ट्राई. Wow. Amazing. Hello Brian, Mummy, good night. So this is the desk for 2 days. I will edit the vlog now and mostly keep it up to post and then sleep. So you all will mostly get it tomorrow morning, which is forget. So that will be the vlog 1. This will be the vlog 2. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I too enjoyed a lot. The food is up till here, so I need to sit for some time. That is why I'm editing, or else I would have gone to sleep. Have a great day and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Like, share, subscribe. कर ही दो भाई, कितना टाइम लगता है.